Okay, everybody. So, welcome back. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace. It is the 31st of December 2022 at approximately 5:05 p.m. Happy New Year to everybody. This is a really quick last video of the year that I'm sharing a really simple 5-step marketing process that you can use starting tomorrow in 2023 to build a avalanche of little assets and a great income as a digital media brand, as an authority site owner, and as a service provider using the online education marketing model. It's very unique. I don't see anybody doing this, but you can start and really 10x your business very quickly in the next few months if you use this simple approach. There are two other videos here that I've embedded into this board and PDF. If you're in our group, you'll have access to this. If you're watching this for free on YouTube, this is one of the final free videos I'm going to be publishing on this process. But you can watch this and hopefully it'll benefit you regardless of whether you join us or not. All right, step number one, you're going to create a mini site. This is going to be a smallish site of 10 to 100 listings featuring the very best of in a given niche, market, vertical, industry, or locality. As you've seen in other videos, I recommend something like Superstash for doing this as an alternative to WordPress. It's very affordable and allows you to scale up the amount of mini sites that you create to your heart's content. There's no limit. It's all under one account and it's all under $10 a month. Step number two, you're going to email or use social media outreach to target your ideal audience or quintessential client. You're going to make it super specific, the email and the outreach, customized and complementary. This is a whole separate topic I'm not going to cover here, but obviously when you're doing email outreach or even social media outreach, you want to make it as specific to the person that you're targeting and make it as complementary to that person rather than some generic kind of bullshitty sort of, hey there, friend. You don't want to do anything like that. I get those all the time. Someone that sends me something that doesn't say anything specific, even if my name is in it, if it doesn't address something about me that lets me know that they've, interacted with my work or my words or my ideas in some way, then I know it's spam, right? So you want to make it very specific and very complimentary. You want to say something nice about them. We are human beings who respond well to compliments. And this is why actually offering these review style landing pages, these wall of love style landing pages using something like Card is so easy because you can actually use the reviews as the specificity element within the email or the outreach, such as, hey, Joe, we're featuring the best realtors in our city and your 99 5-star Yelp reviews are super impressive, right? That lets Joe know that you know who Joe is, right? Because you are specifically referencing the exact number of 5-star reviews he has on Yelp. This makes it removes the obstacle of this. How do you customize that first email and how do you send something complimentary in that first email by dint of just referencing something empirical in the world that is going to be flattering to Joe, Jane, Josephine, etc. Step number three, you create a course that shows your ideal audience how to do something very specific and offers a rock star result. All right. So the course is how to create a high converting social media landing profile page that puts your 99 5-star reviews front and center in front of the exact people who are hiring people in our city, who are hiring realtors in our city, right? Joe is going to be interested in that offer. It's very, very specific to him. And of course, you're not saying 99 5-star reviews on the course page, right? Because different people are going to have different amount of reviews and you're not just selling Joe. But the key is the very specific offer is teaching, or the course is teaching Joe and Jane and Josephine and all the other realtors how to maximize their customer testimonials and feedback and positive reviews in a way that builds their brand and gives them a rock star result. The last step in the course is you're going to make a irresistible offer or a done for you offer where you're saying to the folks like Joe who can't do this himself. He doesn't know how to, play with code or publish a website or add a script to a WordPress page, et cetera, et cetera. You're just going to say, don't have time for this for yourself. Don't worry, we can do it for you. And you'll have a link in the module, in that final module, to a page that makes the offer, right? I mean, it's very ethical. There's no selling. They're actually contacting you. Here are the done for you services, and here's how to get started. And essentially, this is where you have all the details of the offer in a very, very templatized way. And they're contacting you organically, naturally, ethically, and with genuine excitement for hiring you to do the thing you taught them in step 3. Again, this is all happening in a course cohort based community. So it's very, very easy to actually get folks to click on that final module link. They're going through the course anyway, and then reaching out to you at a minimum to learn more about the offer, at a maximum to hire you to do it for them. All right. And the last piece of this is, remember, you don't need to sell anything to actually do this whole process. You can simply make money from affiliate products, right? So you're going to give the course away and you're going to be promoting the actual affiliate products in the course that make the whole thing possible, right? This thing can't be done. They can't do the actual thing that you taught them without using the tools or the tech or the software or the services that you're demonstrating, right? It's pretty simple. So you're going to be using the affiliate products in the course to demonstrate the rockstar result, and then those products or software or services recommend themselves to those people who are interested in taking the next step. You'll make easy recurring affiliate income using this approach, and you don't even need to make a single sale. It's preferable to make lots of single sales as well. Like, you want to sell services, but you don't have to using this approach. You'll actually, in some markets, make more money referring the affiliate program itself, because that will pay you month after month, year after year sometimes, as long as those folks continue to use those services. And again, your clients in the course can't get the rockstar result they need unless they either use the products you're recommending or hire you to do the work, right? So they either use the products with their own existing team of developers, designers, whoever they use currently as a consultant, or they hire you to do it. Either way, you're empowering them with ethical ideas, you're empowering them with information they need to succeed, and you're also giving them an opportunity to stand out and thrive as a realtor, as a financial advisor, as a pizzeria, as a therapist, as a psychic medium, et cetera, et cetera. It's all very, very simple. Here are 2 more videos that cover this in more detail. And of course, we have a whole course cohort for this, for those of you who want to join us and launch your own online agency in 2023. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Happy New Year. Hope 2023 is awesome for everybody. And I'll talk to those of you in the course very soon. Thanks again. Have a wonderful night.